Hello, my friend. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fantastic. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail account for your business. And you can use that Gmail account later to create a YouTube channel for your company in case you will need one. The first place to go is to your web browser and type in accounts that Google. It will take you to this very page where you will be able to create your business email. The first thing is to click on create account and it will show you manage my business. This is the option you want to click on. And here they want you to give names like first and last name, but you're not going to give your personal names. You're going to use the business's name. Let's say you want to call the business Delicious Foods. And when you click outside, it will show you some suggestions. They say these are available. Okay. Let's say I don't like this one and I prefer this one. I can just click on it and say, now you need to choose a password that is difficult for others to guess. Okay? It should have numbers, letters, and other characters. Okay? You need to confirm, meaning using the very same password that you typed in here. You need to do the same in that box. If this one doesn't match that one, they will not let me continue. Okay? I don't want to show the password, okay? It's you only do that if you are the only one in the room when you're creating that account, or you want to remember what it is before you continue, so you can write it down somewhere safe. Okay, just hit continue or next. They will ask you if you want to save this password on this web browser that you're using. If it's not your computer, your personal computer, or the computer you have for the business, it's not a good idea to save the password. Okay? Even if it's the business's computer, it's always better to not save the password so people don't have access to it. Okay? Not now. Here they ask you for a phone number. This is optional. You don't have to. Okay? Say that I don't want to do that today. Okay? And here they ask you for an email to help you recover any, like anytime you want to recover your password for this email, if you forget it, they will send you the code to that email you will provide so they can help you to recover this email that you have problem finding its password. Okay, so here it's still optional, but it's very important to have that email there. It makes your life easier. Okay, say I want to use Jeff writing services at gmail.com. This email doesn't have to be a Gmail account though. You can use another email account just to recover this email in case you forget the password that you used. Okay? Continue. They want you to give the date of birth. Say, what? My business is not a person. It doesn't have a date of birth. Just choose something. Say May 22nd, 1999. Just to prove that my business or this person that I'm creating the business account for, which is in this case my business, because they still consider your business a person. That's why they keep asking you for personal information. So you just show that the person or the business has is old enough to have a Gmail account. Like someone born in 1999 can have a Gmail account. All right. Gender, you can say, rather not say. It's up to you. Okay. And then you click next. Your account has been created, but you need to agree with these conditions before, say, you agree after reading all these things. All right? Agree. If you want to create a business profile for your business on Google so people can find you easier when they type in something related to your business or the business name, you can just hit continue. But if you don't want to do that or you don't know how to do that yet, you just say not now. All right? We'll have another video on how to create, what to put in here, and what to remember to always have, and what to not have, what to not do when you're creating this business profile for your company. That's very important. I would suggest that you watch this video when we have it available on this channel. Okay, for now, let's say not now. And then you have your Gmail account that is specifically for your business right here. You can change the profile picture by clicking here. You can use your business logo to put it here as your profile. And if you want to access your inbox, you just click on these dots right there that says Google Apps, and click on Gmail. It will show you the first email you receive, which is the welcome email. Okay, Google is welcoming you. All right. So that's the first email you receive. You click here when you want to create an email, which is like you want to send someone an email. If you have learned something useful, give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next one.